Vitamin C is one of the most common skincare ingredients being used by millions of people all around the world. But even though it's one of the most common skincare ingredients, it still has a lot of myths surrounding vitamin C. And unfortunately, some of the myths are even told by skincare influencers, health articles, and even doctors themselves. So in this video, I'll be debunking 4 common myths on vitamin C, and trust me, you want to watch until the end of the video. However, before we continue with the video, ladies and gentlemen, just click the subscribe button because it just takes less than 1 second of your time, but it pushes and helps our YouTube channel tremendously. So just click it now. Great day, ladies and gentlemen, I'm Dr. Ingky, your digital skin doctor, and welcome to Skynfyx, the platform whereby we talk about skincare ingredients and help debunk common skincare myths. Now in this video, we'll be talking about 4 common skincare myths that needs to die right now. Now first up, vitamin C. Vitamin C is one of the most common skincare ingredients and has been used for decades in the skincare industry. Now, I'm sure if you walk into any skincare shop or any drugstore, you'll be able to find vitamin C products or for your skin, whether it's a combination or it's a standalone. Despite being one of the most common skincare ingredients and one of the most popular ones, there is still a lot of myths surrounding it, and I'm here to actually debunk those myths. So here are the 4 myths surrounding vitamin C which has been debunked. Number 4, vitamin C causes sun sensitivity. Now, for many years, vitamin C has been touted to be a nighttime skin routine only. It means you should never use vitamin C during the daytime and you can only use it during the nighttime. The reason for this is because vitamin C is acidic and they're afraid if you apply an acid during the daytime, it can actually irritate your skin, causing your hyperpigmentation to become worse and accelerating aging process. And it doesn't help that the fact that vitamin C, when exposed to sunlight, actually oxidizes and changes color. Hence, there is that particular fear. If you use vitamin C during the daytime, the vitamin C will actually tan or create this particular hyperpigmentation on your skin. However, a lot of research actually shows that using vitamin C during the daytime has a lot of protective mechanisms. It actually helps protect your skin against UVA and UVB sun rays. Now this is because vitamin C is a very potent antioxidant. So what it does is the antioxidant will then bind together with the free radicals coming from the UV radiation to prevent the UV rays from attacking your skin, causing premature aging and hyperpigmentation. However, do note, if you're using vitamin C during the daytime, please apply a generous amount of sunscreen. So this myth has been debunked. It is safe to use vitamin C both during daytime and nighttime, and always remember to apply your sunscreen. Myth number 2 that needs to die: vitamin C doesn't play well with other active ingredients. Humongous myth is that vitamin C should be used as a standalone and never mixed with other skincare ingredients. Now, that we know currently is totally wrong. There are a lot of products in the market now that combines vitamin C, vitamin E, and ferulic acid. And this particular triple combination is actually one of the best antioxidant combination which can help reduce your fine lines, reduce your wrinkles, and at the same time reduce the hyperpigmentation. Now, how about vitamin C with other active ingredients like niacinamide? It's been said that vitamin C will deactivate niacinamide and so forth. However, that again is totally false. Now, there are a lot of skincare companies that are able to formulate vitamin C with niacinamide together and put it in a serum bottle or a cream, and it's proven to be a very good antioxidant and anti-inflammatory skincare product. And how about combining vitamin C with retinol? A lot of times people say, oh, big no, you can't combine the two. That again, completely false. You can combine vitamin C with retinol. The combination of vitamin C and retinol actually makes it one of the best anti-aging combos in the market. Now, I'm sure if you exercise your thumbs a little bit, you'll be able to Google some skincare ingredients which is available in the market near you, which combines both vitamin C and retinol. So don't be afraid to combine vitamin C with other active ingredients. So this myth has been debunked. Number 2, avoid vitamin C if you have sensitive skin. Now, for many years, vitamin C uses only one formulation, which is the most potent active, which is L-ascorbic acid. Now, L-ascorbic acid does have a very low pH, roughly about 3 to 3.5, which makes it very acidic. And that itself, that acid nature, does irritate some skin, especially people with either contact dermatitis or people with very sensitive skin. And for many years, people with sensitive skin have avoided vitamin C, even though they really desperately want to try it. Now, with the advancement of new skincare technologies, there are other forms of vitamin C in the market. If you have sensitive skin, do look for this particular two vitamin C actives: ascorbyl palmitate and magnesium ascorbyl phosphate. These both have pH roughly about 6 to 6.5, which is very close to neutral. And because of that, it does not actually irritate your skin. And the best part about these two particular actives, it doesn't even discolor when it's exposed to sunlight. So there you have it, myth debunked. Vitamin C can be used for people with sensitive skin. Hey, before we continue with the video, let me know in the comments below which vitamin C products that you're currently using or have previously used. And the number one myth that a lot of people do believe, that is the higher the concentration of vitamin C, the better for your skin. Now, we believe that if something is good, we should use more of it. However, there is a very popular proverb which says that less is more. And that actually goes well with vitamin C. Your skin has a particular barrier whereby there's only a limited amount of vitamin C that can be absorbed by your skin. And once it crosses that particular threshold, then all the excess vitamin C actually sits on the skin and it does not have any other function. Now, this particular absorption of vitamin C actually depends on person to person. It means that your skin might be able to absorb more vitamin C than my skin. Now, your skin and my skin are both different. Means that your skin might be able to absorb vitamin C at a much quicker rate than my skin. It means that if I use the same concentration as you, I might not see the same result, or at the same time, I might be burning my cash because most of the vitamin C just sits on my skin and it just disappears. So actually, less is more. Look for a vitamin C concentration between roughly 5 to 10% for the best benefit. And using that, combine with other active ingredients for the results that your skin actually deserves. So the conclusion is less is more. Use between a 5 to 10% concentration. Use other actives as well, and do not forget sunscreen. Now that's the end of the video. 4 vitamin C myths that has been debunked. Let me know in the comments below what are the myths about vitamin C that you have actually heard, and maybe in the next video we can debunk those myths as well. Now, if you have stayed until the end of the video, thank you so much. Do not forget to click the like and subscribe button. Turn on the bell button because we release new videos on a weekly basis. And do not forget to forward this particular video to your family and friends, those you think that can benefit from this video. Now that's it from me. I'm Dr. Ingky, your digital skin doctor, and always remember to stay safe, stay healthy, and most importantly, stay informed. Are you tired of wasting time and money on your skin, but nothing works? We are here to help. Skynfyx is a platform that provides personal care education completely free. Skynfyx is run by skin doctors and skincare experts. You can chat and consult with our skin doctors without ever leaving your home. Other than free advice, Skynfyx also provides tailor-made solutions for your skin problem with customized medical-grade skincare delivered right to your doorstep. Skynfyx, your digital skin doctor.